Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas. This bracelet, beautiful jewelry for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Beautiful crochet bracelet ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, simple ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful designing. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Button up style, hook style, zipper style. Beautiful chains, step style. Most demanding crochet collection. And please follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.